How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another XRP video on the channel. I've actually noticed an increase on the viewership, so I really appreciate the support. Keep that going. Almost at 10k now. So there was actually this small micro double bottom over here. You can see the weakness that I was warning about in this key red zone over here. We can see the rejection, the continuation lower. So that's what my worry was. Even though it was recovering the moving averages and caught this as support down here, you can see that this level of a 195 was actually maintained. You don't actually see the body closing underneath that point, so it is maintaining. It can of course bounce while not closing underneath this. It chose to engulf the previous candle, which starts a movement back up in the immediate short term, but we are aware of what levels need reclaiming. All three red boxes, and until that final one's recovered, I'm not bullish. So understand that even this bounce over here is meant to rally back up into the next level of resistance, being the moving averages. And of course, by yesterday's video, we already had seen this point, which with each candle being a day. Yesterday's candle, we already had these previous two, and these two, as I was telling you all, making you all aware, these are bearish signals. So even though we bounced from down here, it should have actually recovered the neckline of the head and shoulders. If we go to the 2-day time frame, you can see this double bottom a lot clearer. And so for this to become valid, you need to break out of the neckline. So let's just call that a recovery of the head and shoulders neckline. But unfortunately, with the rejection off the 55, this shooting star here followed by a bearish engulfing, this is a reversal candlestick pattern in the bearish direction. Now please understand that $2 does remain a key level of support. It can reverse from $2, of course, but the trend has been these constant lower highs. We need to see structural break of that. But until then, I remain bearish, expecting this to eventually give in, expecting an eventual test of the 200 EMA. The thing is, it could bounce short term from here, something like that, to get down there. So I will update it as it develops. That is it from me today. Please go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, and share if you will. I've also got education, whether it's an ebook, one-to-one plan, or I do workshops as a group, mentoring you how to read the charts exactly like me on a weekly basis in my Discord community. Of course, I share what I'm personally doing, and any requests for TA, I will also do that for you guys in there. So I'll catch you over in my community. For now, XRP looking like it's going to come down into $2, which is going to bounce from $2.28, then becomes the resistance, and then looking for a 200 EMA retest eventually. That could happen in one move straight down. Just so you know, I'm expecting a 200 EMA retest unless the head and shoulders neckline is reclaimed. That then start to move up towards this area, but still remaining bearish under this ultimately. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.